Top 5 Best Gifts for 13-year-old Boys. Number 5. X-Rocker Gaming Chair. For a teenage boy who is 13, gaming can be serious business, and who wouldn't want a chair to match? Coming in at a higher price point, this Bluetooth-enabled gaming chair features 2 speakers for the ultimate gaming experience. Composed of ergonomic material, the gaming chair features separate controls for sound experience, and it's great for mobile gaming, watching TV and reading too due to its comfort factor. Coming in number 4. Huawei Y7 Smartphone. There's no denying that teenage boys love their gadgets, and phones are constantly evolving to have new features. If you're looking to buy the birthday boy a brand new handset that is as aesthetically pleasing as it is practical, this Huawei Y7 smartphone won't break the bank and comes in a range of modern shades. With a 6.26-inch display and a fantastic front and rear camera, there really is no cell phone available now that rivals this model within the same price bracket. Coming in number 3. GoPro Hero 5. If your budget is within the higher range, why not consider gifting a GoPro Hero 5 to the 13-year-old boy you're celebrating a birthday with? GoPros have been all the rage for a while now due to their amazing battery life, image quality, versatility, and ability to even video underwater. This model captures stunning 4K videos and is waterproof to up to 33 feet deep. For the ultimate surprise gift, kit your teenage boy out with this impressive gadget and see their adventures come to life in a whole new way. Coming in number 2. Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch is one of the coolest consoles currently out there. If you're looking for a contemporary gift that'll provide hours of endless gaming fun, a Switch is the best choice. The only console of its type, the Nintendo Switch is a handheld device that features 2 Joy-Con controls that can be used in 1-player mode or detached for 2-player mode. The device can also be connected to a TV to play on a larger screen, and it features hundreds of cool games to choose from too, as well as the Labo Variety Kits, which offer immersive VR through the use of cardboard creations. Coming in number 1. Gaming Headset for Xbox and PS4. If you're looking for gifts for 13-year-old boys, a gaming headset is always a good idea. The Razer Black Shark V2 headset works perfectly with PCS and Xbox One or PlayStation 4 consoles, so it's ideal for any 13-year-old gamer. The headset provides incredible surround sound to fully immerse you in any game. With cooling gel-infused cushions, this headset will be comfortable to wear all day. A built-in microphone makes it perfect for talking with friends and collaborating on a game.